Hey there, welcome to our amazing product review channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD 2TB NVMe M.2 internal solid-state hard drive. The Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD is an always-evolving storage device, powered by the latest VNAND technology and firmware optimization. It maximizes the potential of NVMe bandwidth for unbeatable computing, making it a perfect choice for gamers and graphics professionals who need a high-speed and reliable storage solution. It comes in capacities of up to 2 TB, with a reliability of up to 1200 TBW. The 970 EVO Plus reaches sequential read/write speeds up to 500/300 MB/s, up to 53% faster than the previous 970 EVO model. It is powered by the latest VNAND technology, which brings greater NAND performance and higher power efficiency. The 970 EVO Plus fits up to 2 TB onto the compact M.2 2280 form factor, greatly expanding storage capacity and saving space for other components. Samsung's innovative technology empowers you with the ability to do more and accomplish more. The 970 EVO Plus provides exceptional endurance powered by the latest VNAND technology and Samsung's reputation for quality. With up to 1200 TBW and a 5-year limited warranty, you can expect lasting performance from this SSD. Samsung's advanced nickel-coated controller and heat spreader enable superior heat dissipation, and the dynamic thermal guard automatically monitors and maintains optimal operating temperatures to minimize performance drops. With Samsung Magician software, you can keep an eye on your drive and have access to a suite of user-friendly tools that help you keep your drivers up to date, monitor drive health and speed, and even boost performance. Overall, the Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD 2TB NVMe M.2 internal solid-state hard drive is a high-performance and reliable storage solution that is perfect for gamers and graphics professionals. It is easy to install and comes with a 5-year limited warranty, making it an excellent investment for your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this review helpful.